everyone, how are you all? Doing good? Chalo. So today in this video we will be studying about metals and non-metals. This video is not only for specifically for class 8 but this can be seen, or this video can be viewed by anyone. I mean starting from class 8 onwards up to class 10. This is a chapter which is required by almost all the classes in science, like in different aspects. In some classes the content is less, while in some classes the content is more. So metals and non-metals is an inevitable part of science, so I hope it will be fruitful for almost all the students. So let's start the chapter. Okay, so metals and non-metals. Always remember that materials can be classified basically into two categories. One is known as metals and one is known as non-metal. So what is a metal and what is a non-metal? Let us start as per given in our book. So metals are certain what we can say materials or substances which have some specific properties. Similarly, non-metals are certain substances which or elements, or what we can say materials that have certain specific properties. So let us study about the characteristics or about the properties of metals first. Metal or ki property thake. First we will deal with the physical properties. Properties, when we discuss about properties can be of two types. Properties can be physical property as well as chemical property. So what are the physical properties of metal? Hoda eta kotha bonot rakhiba, physical property mane ki? Physical property mane hoise bahiror jikhini property ami view koribo paru, that is known as a physical property. And what is a chemical property? Chemical property is something which when on reacting with something else or undergoing a chemical change, jikhini properties ami tetia dekha pao, hekhini chemical property boli ko. So let us first start with the physical properties of metal. Physical properties of metals are as follows. First one, all metals except mercury. All metals except mercury at room temperature are in solid state. Mercury eta metal jitu liquid state or room temperature ami jodi tho tetia luru bostu to liquid state thake. Jeneke thermometer or bhitorot mercury thake, he karone jodi gat temperature besi hoy mercury level to rise up hoy jay. But all the other metals, lead, tin, aluminium, ei bostubur ami jodi room temperature thau tetia hole hebur hodai solid state poa jay. Density mane hoise je all metals, always remember, all metals have high density. All metals have high density. I will not use the word all here. Okay, let me be specific. There are some metals like sodium and potassium, they have less density than water. Okay, sodium and potassium have less density than water, but most metals, almost I think all other metals have higher densities. Next comes malleability. Acha, what is the meaning of malleability? Jetia ami kiba eta bostu piti hathorire mari sepeta kori pelabo paro, he property to ke koi malleability. Okay, most metals can be hammered into thin sheets or foil without breaking. Tumi eta bostu piti sepeta kori asa hathorire mari kinu bostu to bhangi jwa nai, sepeta hoy goi ase, patol hoy goi ase, he quality to ke koi malleability quality boli. Aro metals are malleable. Khali eta metal malleable nohoy, he metal to hoise zinc. Aro he karone koi zinc is a brittle metal. What is the meaning of brittle? Brittle mane hoise potokke bhangi jwa. Tapisot, what is ductility? Thik ase, ductility mane hoise metals can be melted and drawn into thin wires. Acha, etia ama ghorot tumalokor ghorot jetia electrification or kam hoy, wires use kora hoy na wires bur kihere bonwa hoy, wires bur copper ere bonwa hoy. Kihor karone copper ere bonwa hoy? Copper eta metal hoy, aru copper to ami hodai okol copper e nohoy, jikuno metal jibura ami next aru eta property pohim conductivity. To metal or conductivity to besi thake, he metals bur horu patol wire ole convert koribo pora jay, and that property is known as what? Ductility. Okay, next comes conductivity, what I said you just now, metals are always very good conductors of heat and electricity. It is amar ghorot ba tumalokor ghorot jibur dhora utensils ase made of aluminum, brass, hone na hoy to jikono metals, any metal are always good conductor of heat and electricity. You need to remember that. Therefore utensils are made of metals. Wires, electric wires are made of metals. Okay, next you have to know metallic lustre. What is lustre? We wear ornaments made of gold and silver, okay, even platinum. So gold is a metal, silver is a metal, and it have its own shine. Eta nizor shine ase, jiliki uthe. That property is known as lustre. So metals have metallic lustre. Next comes tensility. What is tensility? Okay, ব্ৰিজেছ বোৰ তোমালোকে দেখিছা ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ ব্ৰিজ বোৰত কিহেৰে হেবোৰ বনায় হেবোৰ এতে কি হয় কাখৰ জিবোৰ তোমাৰ প্ৰথমতে তো ৰড সড বোৰ দিয়া যায় এটা বিল্ডিং বনালে ওখ ওখ বহুত ৰড দি পেলাই প্ৰথমতে বিল্ডিং টো তোমাৰ প্লিন্থ বনোৱা যায় গাঁথনি কৰা যায় বিল্ডিং টোৰ বেস টো বনোৱা যায় কিহৰ কাৰণে তাত মেটেলছ দিয়া হয় কাৰণ হেতৰ এটা টেনসাইল ষ্ট্ৰেংথ আছে টেনসাইল ষ্ট্ৰেংথ মানে হৈছে যে সহজে যিটো বস্তুৰ ওপৰত তাক ভেজা দিয়া হয় হেতু পটককে যাতে ভাগি নপৰে ঠিক আছে সো হে ষ্ট্ৰেংথ ডাক্টিলিটি টেনসিলিটি থকা ডাক্টিলিটি আৰু মেলিয়েবিলিটি থকাৰ কাৰণে ইহতৰ টেনসাইল ষ্ট্ৰেংথটো বাঢ়ি গৈ থাকে আৰু হে কাৰণে শিপছ ব্ৰিজেছ বা যিকোনো ডাঙৰ বস্তু বিল্ডিংছ এয়াৰক্ৰাফট আৰু এবোৰ পটককে ভাজ লব পাৰি বেন্ড দিব পাৰি তো হে কাৰণে দে মেটেলছ হেভ টেনসাইল ষ্ট্ৰেংথ আৰু one more quality of metals is solubility. Jetia metals bur pure state ot thake tetia hole hihot panit ba organic solvent ot hodai insoluble hoy panit tumi metal eta dissolve koribo nwara kintu acid ot hetu dissolve koribo pari. Okay, so these are the basic physical properties of metals which you all need to remember. There are some more properties, let us discuss those. Now next property is that metals সহজে গলি না যায় বা metals সহজে boil নহয়. That means metals have very high melting point and boiling point. Metalor যদি এতিয়া তোমাৰ melting point বা boiling point to কম হলতেন তেতিয়া হলে ঘৰত মায়ে বাসনত এফালে একদম পুরা চিকেন বিৰিয়ানী বা ধুনিয়াকে একদম পনীৰ ৰৰ সবজি বনাইছে ডাল মাখানি বনাইছে এফালে বুলে লগে লগে পনীৰো বনাইছে চিকেনো বনাইছে এফালে বুলে লগতে বুলে তোমাৰ হেৰি বাসনটো গলি গল বুলে কাৰণ তো জুইত দিয়া থাকে হেতু যদি লো মেল্টিং বা লো বইলিং পইণ্ট থাকিল because metals have high melting and high boiling point they allow the heat to transfer the food to be cooked but the utensil retain its shape. Did you understand it? All right, great. Next is sonority. Now what is the meaning of sonority? Acha, when you beat any metal, be it brass, aluminum, silver, any metal, when you beat it then you get a specific sound, sonorous sound. It is schooler it is amar je jitu current na thakile bell to mare tong ke je bell to mare tetia hole he bell to marile eta sound ahe nahe sonorous sound eta ahe. So metals have a characteristic sound when they are hit with a object, then that is known as sonority. And some metals are magnetic in also nature, that you have to remember. So I hope you are now comfortable with the physical properties of metals. Please go through these properties, and in the next videos we will be learning about the chemical properties of metals. Remember one thing, that whatever properties metals have, non-metals will have exactly the opposite of it. Okay, we will deal with those, but first please go through what I have taught you, go through your book also so that you will understand it better, especially the class 8 students. And please reach out to me if you have any doubts. This is an easy lesson, nothing to get worried at all, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care, goodbye.